Hey everybody, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Today I'm going to be reviewing Instant Conversion Mastery. This is a launch that is being done on June 18th by Mohammed Boubaker, and it goes live at 11 o'clock EDT. So today we're going to look at what is Instant Conversion Mastery. We're going to see how it can help you improve your traffic and your sales. I've also got lots of great bonuses that I'm going to share with you. And also Mohammed's got some bonuses as well. So without further ado, let's get into it and I'll see you on the other side. All right, so what is the Instant Conversion Mastery? This is a full, comprehensive, in-depth tutorial, 14 video, all done for you, step by step, teaching you how to increase your sales, little hacks and tips, psychological little things that all the big advertising companies use to make people like you and me spend more money. So Mohammed is going to teach you, him and his team are going to teach you how you can use these little hacks and tips to drastically increase your sales and your overall ease in affiliate marketing. So like I said, it's a 14-part video and you're kind of going into a partnership with Mohammed Baker and his team. So let's take a look here. Here's your chance to make 50% of every sale paid out to you when you promote the Conversion Mastery page. Okay, so look here, we've got just a little over 3 days, still some time, but don't wait too long. So what is Instant Conversion Mastery all about? Are you sick and tired of seeing no sales in your PayPal account every single day? Maybe you're just seeking for proven ways to dramatically increase sales and conversions for all your marketing campaigns. Here's the good news. You don't need to be at the mercy of your prospect anymore. Now, he's about to reveal to you what is causing you to miss out on a load of potential sales and how you can immediately start seeing your sales and profits hit the roof. So stop everything you're doing right now. So here are the 4 big reasons that so many people have a difficult time closing the deal. So number 1, confusion. Okay. Number 2, limited info. They don't have enough material to really grab the buyer. Okay. The wrong focus. They keep focusing on one thing and ignore the rest. So Mohammed and his team are going to open your mind to learning multiple different ways to get customers, first of all, looking at your product, looking at your ads, and also talking with their wallets. Number 4, old school methods. So as you know, this industry and advertising in general, people are always got their ear to the ground looking for the best, the newest, the freshest way to get people involved and to get people knowing about their brands. Okay, so the hacks they're trying to do are ancient. Okay, so it does not matter how hard you work, it's how smart you work. All right, it is time you turn the tables around in your favor. Now you can learn how to work smart and see tremendous results that will catapult your online income to the next level. Introducing the Instant Conversion Mastery Package. All right, so again, they've done a lot of the work for you. What you will learn in this 14-part video training, the untold psychological weapons you should arm yourself with to make a killing in every single online business you create. So what this is going to teach you doesn't have to just be for one of your businesses. You can use this knowledge, use these skills, and you can have multiple different things working for you, creating passive income, okay? Hypnotic techniques revealed that will put your prospects in a position to say yes to everything you say. Uncover the truths behind high converting sale pages and be surprised at how even the header makes a difference. So one of my bonuses down below that we're going to get into talks about this in more detail as well. Discover the one legitimate strategy that we use to rope in tons of subscribers without receiving any spam complaints. An insider tip to boosting conversions on your page, your squeeze page, that will literally skyrocket your opt-ins to your list. How you can turn your subscribers from lukewarm to eager respondents who are literally waiting to open your email and buy. Another one of my bonuses down below is going to teach you how to find the hot traffic rather than just spamming everything, getting cold traffic, grinding two rocks trying to make a fire, so to speak. We're going to learn how to find the hot traffic, which in turn, as you know, will result in higher sales, higher probability of sales at least, okay? Incredible simple ways you can apply to your email that can be potentially triple your conversions. Exactly what you must do to turn your boring and meaningless blog posts to high converting, super viral content. Okay, guys, before I continue, I just want to show you my bonuses, because a lot of my bonuses complement what Mohammed and his team are also offering you in this high conversion mastery course. So let's go down a little bit. So get instant conversion mastery now and get all the bonuses below. So at $427, you for free though, okay? How to find the real buyers, AKA the hot traffic, right? So this is going to show you who to spend your money and your focus and your effort on, because these are the ones that are going to be giving you the profits that you're looking for, right? So this is all step-by-step done for you method in this bonus, my bonus number 1, okay? And if you just click on any of these buttons here, it's going to take you to this page here, okay? And you can access all my bonuses right here. It'll just click you here, access here, and then it'll take you to them and you're good to go, okay? Bonus number 2, big traffic, small effort, okay? A long step with instant conversion mastery. It's going to learn how to work like what Mohammed was saying, work smarter, not harder, okay? Going to learn how to also get extra tips and hacks to increase how to get big traffic and not working 24 hours of the day trying to get it, okay? And my bonus number 3, valued at $289, is the 4-hour work week in affiliate marketing. So we all know Tim Ferriss's famous book, The 4-Hour Work Week. Well, this is streamlined to affiliate marketing, okay? So you're going to do a little bit of work, right? But once you do the groundwork, you get the ball rolling, you're kind of on autopilot and it can start running itself. And you just have to do a little bit of maintenance. This is going to show you how to get it going, and then just a little bit of maintenance every week that can just keep the floodgates coming in of profits, okay? Bonus number 4, $99, is the hidden secrets to writing high profit headlines. So up earlier, we were looking at how even just a little bit of a change in the heading, some different words, some catchwords, some words that really grab the reader, can make a sale for you, or it can hurt you, okay? It can go from being something positive to maybe something negative. So this is going to show you a couple little hacks that can help you grab the reader's attention, get them more kind of inclined to buy something that you're looking to sell. And finally, Mohammed has some bonuses for you as well. Now these bonuses you're going to get through Mohammed once you buy instant conversion mastery, okay? So that won't be on my link, but it'll be on the actual sales link when you do buy this course. Okay, so let's go take a look at that right now, and then we'll get into the price and other things, okay? All right, so even if you don't decide to buy right now, you just want to browse. If you just put your email in, your contact email, you can choose to get any of these books for free, okay? So you can choose. Let me just walk you through these. You can choose this one, Predictable Irrational by Dan Ariely, okay? Just see, you can claim your bonus right there. Put your email in. Or you can get an ebook, How to Get Around the 7 Most Common Online Business Roadblocks. Book 2, Munchtastic Sales Training, Secrets of Effective Selling. 3, the ebook, How to Make 3 to 50 times the profit from your traffic. 4 reasons why most online entrepreneurs fail. Okay, so again, Mohammed has gone into detail about the 4 big pillars of why so many online businesses fail, but this can also go into more detail. And book 5, massive video engagement. So if you're making a lot of videos, you want to get a following on YouTube, this could be a bonus that you might consider. Okay? All right, so let's go back up here, and I'm just going to play a video summarizing what the Instant Conversion Mastery course is. Okay, here we go.
Are you sick and tired of seeing no sales in your PayPal account every single day? Maybe you increase sales and conversion for all your marketing campaigns. Here's the good news. You don't need to be at the mercy of your prospect anymore. I'm about to reveal to you what's causing you to miss out on a lot of potential sales and how you can immediately start seeing your sales and profits hit the roof. Introducing Instant Conversion Mastery, how to boost your sales conversions in just days from now. Here are a few things you'll learn inside this 14-part video series. The untold psychological weapons you should arm yourself with to make a killing in every single online business you create. Hypnotic techniques revealed that will put your prospects in a position to say yes to everything you say. Uncover the truths behind high-converting sales pages and be surprised at how even the header makes a difference, and so many more. So without any further delay, scroll down this page to secure your copy of Instant Conversion Mastery right now.
Okay, guys. Now let's just go back up and learn a little bit more about Instant Conversion Mastery, okay? So it says here, how much can you earn? So here is your chance to make 50% of every sale put out to you when you promote the Instant Conversion Mastery course. Join our free referral affiliate program and start earning money for every paid membership you send your way. Simply create your account, share your affiliate link with friends and colleagues, or place your linking code into your website and watch the account balance grow as your visitors become our members. So you guys, like I said, you're going to be kind of like in a partnership. So if you just promote it, if you have a website and you promote it on your website, you tell your friends or your Facebook friends, and it's got a 60-day cookie that we're going to go into here more. Okay, so how does it work? The process is very simple. Visitors click on a referral link that you shared with them or that you placed on your site or in an email. The visitor's IP is logged and a cookie is placed in their browser for tracking purposes. Now this cookie is good for 60 days. The visitor browses our site and may decide to order. If the visitor orders a membership, the order will be registered as a sale for you and you'll receive 50% of the commission on the sale, okay? Maybe the following facts will open your eyes to the endless profit potential by promoting an outstanding multi-billion-dollar niche. The Instant Conversion Mastery package is very hot and getting hotter. Hundreds and even thousands of dollars per day in profit is very possible. Affiliate advertising is one of the best paid traffic sources out there. Okay, now guys, we're going to get into the price. So this isn't just an amazing offer. How much for all this? Many people that try to figure things out on their own end up wasting a lot of time, never make the kind of money they set out to make. Okay, that's because they spin their wheels, follow bad advice, and just don't get the right roadmap to success. That's like the 4 things that we talked about up earlier, right? The 4 pillars of failure. This blueprint will prevent that from happening when you invest in this training course, a foolproof plan to online success. When you consider all the unheard secrets you'll be learning inside this blueprint, it will be very easy to put a price tag of $297 or more, or even $127, or even $97. But no, they are selling this for a one-time investment of $47. And again, if this is something that interests you, you're going to get over $1,000 in bonuses from me, and also those bonuses from Mohammed and his team as well. All right. So if you are struggling in your business, you're finding that you're just kind of spinning your wheels, you maybe need to tweak a few things, this could be a very viable solution to answering that. You're also going to get all of my little tips and tricks and hacks. Okay, just follow, like I say, click on these red buttons here that'll take you to the access page. Okay, and you'll be off and running. So you've got 3 days, 3 hours, almost 4 hours to make your decision as I'm writing this. All right, once again, my name is Kieran Hogg. If you got value in this review, I hope you enjoyed this review on Instant Conversion Mastery. And like I said, this is going live on June 18th by Mohammed Boubaker. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I will be back very shortly with more great information that can help your business grow. Again, this is Kieran Hogg from Reviews, Hacks, and Tips saying so long. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.